At number 10, the Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet is just $70 at 50% off. The 10-inch display is great for streaming and reading. The performance handles everyday tasks smoothly, perfect for families, casual users, or budget-conscious shoppers. At number 11, the Google Nest Doorbell is $120, down from $180, saving $60. The 1080p video provides clear footage of your doorstep. The package detection alerts you to deliveries, perfect for homeowners, renters, or anyone wanting better home security. At number 12, the Fitbit Versa 4 smartwatch is $120, down from $200. That's $80 off. The fitness tracking monitors all your activities. The battery life lasts 6+ days. Perfect for fitness enthusiasts, health-conscious users, or anyone wanting activity tracking. At number 13, the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones are $299, down from $429. That's $130 in savings. The legendary Bose noise cancellation blocks out the world. The battery life lasts up to 24 hours. Perfect for travelers, commuters, or audiophiles.